Boys and girls, good morning moms and dads. Hope you've had a wonderful weekend. And moms, I hope you were spoiled and that you had a chance to relax yesterday and that you enjoyed Mother's Day. Here's Lily, our other cat, and she's just joining us today. So this week we are going to talk about birds. Now, did you know that there are many different birds in the world? I can't even tell you how many different types of birds. And all birds have feathers. And later in the week, we're going to talk about the feathers and the different functions of the feathers. Now, all birds have feathers, but there are quite a few birds who can't fly. Some that I can remember off by heart are ostriches, emus, penguins, rhea birds, and a kiwi bird. Biggest bird who cannot fly is an ostrich. But did you know that the ostrich can run super fast? And then there's a tiny little bird called the hummingbird. This bird is really special. It can hover for a long time, it flies forward, hovers for a long time, and it can fly backwards. How exciting is that? And very clever. So did you know that there are birds who can fly but they cannot walk? And the reason for that is legs are positioned towards the back of their bodies. And one such bird is called a loon. And even a hummingbird. They can fly, but they cannot walk. It's quite amazing how these birds are designed, and God designed all of them. Isn't it awesome? And the bird we're going to talk about today specifically is an owl. Now again, owls are beautiful birds, and there are over 200 different types of owls. So owls live in barns, trees, and old buildings. Owls are nocturnal, and that means they sleep during the day and they're wide awake at night, and they go hunting at night. They have large eyes, and the reason for that is to see clearly, because remember, it's very dark at night, so they must be able to spot their prey so that they can catch it and eat it. Okay, so owls, what do they like to eat? They like to eat other birds, rats, mice, even snakes, and lots of other different smaller animals. Owls have very sharp beaks and large talons. Can you show me your large talons? I want to see it. Come on guys, show it to me. And they use their talons, another word for talons is claws. And they use their talons to catch their prey, and they use their sharp beak to tear and eat their food. Okay, and then, did you know that when owls fly, you don't hear a sound at all? Isn't that amazing? So, because if the little animals can hear them, they can run away very quickly, and the owls won't have any dinner. That's all I have to tell you about owls, children. I hope you've enjoyed that. I found owls to be fascinating and such beautiful creatures. See you tomorrow.